हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। दिस इज अ वेरी हॉट ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक। तुम लोगों में से बहुत सारे लोग मुझसे पूछ रहे हैं कि सर मैं रिवाइज करने के लिए बीटीआर यूज़ करूं या मैं रिवाइज करने के लिए डीबीटी यूज़ करूं। ओके, सो लेट मी नॉट जस्ट गो ऑन। आई टेक अ शॉर्ट पॉज। डू हिट द सब्सक्राइब बटन। या आई एम वेटिंग फॉर यू। डू हिट द सब्सक्राइब बटन। थैंक्स फॉर द सब्सक्रिप्शन नाउ। ओके, तो बीटीआर करें या डीबीटी करें रिवाइज करने के लिए, both things are solving different purposes. Okay, so BTR क्या सॉल्व कर रहे हैं? BTR is simply based on PYQs. जो PYQs आए हैं पिछले 5 से 7 साल में, BTR is a session on that and completely important topics को रिवाइज कर रहा है. However, DVT is something that is revising topics from that particular subject which can be best revised via visual representation. ठीक है, so it is not essentially covering all important topics, it is covering most important topics, but it is a little shorter than BTR and only covering the visually important topics. So patho is really good because lot of diagrams, especially of hematology, are being covered there. ठीक है, similarly PSM is just okay because there is not a lot of visual things that need to come in the DVT. ठीक है, or can come in the DVT. So it's a 5 to 6 day program. Similarly, BTR is also a 4 to 5 day program. Almost 12 hours a day they are doing. Almost 19 subjects they are covering. BTR is a little better than DVT. लेकिन please make it a point कि this is not the only thing that you can read and go to the exam and expect to, clear it. This is not enough to build concepts. This is not enough to crack the exam. This is something that is really good as a revision tool. But if you are someone who has read from the main notes, if you are someone who has had good amount of material with them for a particular subject, then don't just jump to BTR or DVT blindly and revise that 3 or 4 times, because it will be revisable and you will feel the pseudo confidence. And either of these things, if you'll read and solve PYQs, you will be able to solve them very well. You will get the pseudo confidence that you know a lot, but you don't know a lot. जरा सा भी तुमसे घुमा के पूछेंगे, you won't know the answers. Okay, so stop the fluff. Okay, पढ़ो लेकिन रिवीजन टूल की तरह. ठीक है, अपने मेन नोट्स को हटाने के बाद इसको मत पढ़ो. समझ रहे हो? मेन नोट्स को कंसाइज करना बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, उसको रिवाइज करना बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. उसको छोड़ के इसको उठाना गलत है. सिंपली इट्स रॉन्ग. ओके, यू नीड टू कीप इट हैंड इन हैंड. अगर आपको कोई सब्जेक्ट के लिए कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे हो, बेटर डू दीज थिंग्स. बट इफ यू हैव डन समथिंग फ्रॉम समवेयर, डोंट स्क्रैप इट एंड डू दिस. ठीक है, in FOMO you will do a lot of things wrong. Don't fall for these resources 3 months, 2 months before the exam. You have been putting in a lot of effort, lot of quality time you have spent reading it. Don't just let it go in vain. Okay, that's the only message I want to convey from this video. If you are someone who is preparing for the exam but struggling with the pattern, struggling with the preparation, comment start. I'll reach out to you shortly. There's a WhatsApp group, link in the description. We share daily custom modules over there. Do join that WhatsApp group. We are conducting subject wise quizzes every Friday night 8 p.m. Do make it a point to join that. There are about 100-150 people giving the quiz at this moment. Okay, do join that. Make it a habit to give those. You'll get a good idea what kind of questions are being asked in the exam, what kind of competition is where. ठीक है, ये सब चीज़ समझ आएंगी. Do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, do put it in the comment section. Love you all. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.